Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Civic SI. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Before starting the engine, press the clutch all the way in. Then, gently release the clutch while slowly applying gas to find the friction point. Practice this motion repeatedly on a flat surface until you can start smoothly without stalling. Once you're comfortable starting, it's time to shift gears. The Civic SI has a 6-speed manual transmission. When upshifting, press the clutch, move the shifter, and release the clutch smoothly while applying throttle. For downshifts, consider rev matching by blipping the throttle slightly as you engage the lower gear. This technique helps maintain vehicle balance and reduces wear on the clutch. To truly unlock the Civic SI's potential, explore advanced techniques. Heel-toe shifting, for instance, allows you to brake and downshift simultaneously, crucial for track driving. The limited slip differential enhances traction during aggressive cornering, distributing power efficiently. Always ensure your tires are at the recommended pressure, typically around 32 psi, for optimal handling and safety. Proper maintenance is key to enjoying your Civic SI for years. Always use premium, 91 octane or higher, fuel to ensure the engine performs as designed. Regular oil changes and fluid checks are also essential. And speaking of being prepared, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.